Welcome to our channel today. We will guide you through the easiest way to verify your HyreCar rental account, so you can start driving without any delays. Welcome to our channel. Verifying your HyreCar rental account is an essential step to ensure a smooth and secure experience on the platform. It's a straightforward process, and following these simple steps will have you ready to rent cars in no time. First, you need to create your account on the HyreCar website or app by providing your basic information such as name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is created, the next step is to verify your identity. HyreCar requires valid identification to protect both renters and car owners. You will be prompted to upload a clear photo of a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the picture is sharp and all details are visible to avoid any delays. After uploading your ID, the system may require you to verify your driving credentials to confirm you meet the rental eligibility requirements. This typically involves submitting your driver's license details, including the number, expiration date, and issuing state. Some regions may also require proof of insurance, so having your insurance documents ready is helpful. Next, HyreCar might request you to provide a selfie or a live photo for facial recognition purposes to match it against your ID. This step enhances the security of the platform and ensures that the account holder is the same person renting the vehicle. It is important to complete all these steps carefully and ensure all documents provided are valid and up to date. Once your documents have been submitted, HyreCar's team will review them, which can take from a few minutes to a couple of days depending on demand. During this time, avoid submitting any repeated requests as it might slow down the process. After your verification is approved, you will receive a confirmation notification both on the platform and via email. This confirmation means your account is now fully verified, and you can browse, book, and rent vehicles through HyreCar with confidence. Remember to always keep your profile information updated and comply with HyreCar's terms of use to avoid any issues during rental transactions. Verifying your account is the key to unlocking the full potential of HyreCar's car sharing service and enjoying a seamless rental experience wherever you go.